Hello. So I'm going to talk to you about cyber vetting within the hiring process and where I stand. So my last name starts with a B, so I'm going to be in support of cyber vetting, which is the process of um, using the internet and public information in the process of job applications and interviews, etc. So, why is it ethical to use cyber vetting? Well, to begin, the information that these cyber vetters are using is from the internet, which is a public source and public knowledge. With the use of cyber vetting, the employer will be able to better gauge and understand the candidate outside of the interview and what the candidate has disclosed. According to Bekelar, the attainment of social media information is public knowledge and does not have negative connotations. So it is seen in our text that it is recognized that this is an ethical process. So why must we use these techniques? From this source, it is found that it helps determine whether the candidate is trustworthy. For example, employers assess a job's candidates' online connections to see if there are any mutual connections to assess trustworthiness. There's a tremendous benefit in terms of human resource management and the human resource department, which will play a big factor in the hiring process. And then this will be very useful to the HR for being a resource to gain more information. So with an increase in privacy policies, the information is more difficult for these HR development people to attain, so the cyber vetting is necessary in the workplace. And these are my references that I used.